it's Happymailqueen. Happy Thursday to everybody. Today I have a teeny tiny haul for you guys. I forgot to show you guys a couple of things that I had picked up, a few things that I picked up from TJ Maxx the last time I was there. I did have another brunch day with my sister, and this time my daughter came with me. And so we were at TJ Maxx. So I bought the cutest little Easter bags. I mean, they're just paper bags, but let me show you. And then I also have a project share for you guys. So look how adorable this Easter bag is. I love the colors, and look at this bunny. It's she's just so cute with her little whiskers, and there's of course some gold foiling, as you can see there, and then there's just eggs, and it says Happy Easter. Whoops. Happy Easter, and look how adorable this tag is. Isn't that adorable? And this was, so there's a ribbon handle, and this was by Clementine Paper Ink, and this came out last year, it looks like, and it was only $1.79, so I had to grab it. I thought it was super duper cute. Here's another one right here from the same company again. This time it has a different colored, it's more like a periwinkle color. And look how adorable this little tag is with the glasses. Isn't this bunny just so adorable? And so are the chicks. Look how cute. And anyway, I just love the characters in this one. Look at them. They are so stinking adorable. Here's the last bag that I got with a fun dark blue handle, or like a more like an aqua color. And look at the tag on this one. So cute. Like, I totally so want to just, I don't know, fussy cut the rest of the bunnies from this one. So I don't know if I'm actually going to use it for a bag, just because look at the bunnies. Look at this one with roller skates. I mean, isn't she just darling? And then here's one ballerina with ballerina shoes. And then there's this one right here, the boy bunny with a bouquet of flowers. And then look at this one right here on a bike with a little chick inside the so cute, the little basket. It's just such a cute Easter bag. So, and then even look at that, even the little owl is adorable. And then I got some chocolates because I wanted to get some Easter chocolates, and I thought these were so cute. It's made in Italy, so I guess it's some kind of Italian chocolate, and it's called La Suiza. If any of you guys have ever tried this, let me know if it's good. It's milk chocolate, and it says it has smooth cocoa filling. So I'm interested to try that, but also to share. And I don't know, there's quite a bit in here. There might be like 40, maybe 40 in here, but this is how it looks like. It's kind of hard to see, but do you guys see right there? It's a little Easter basket. But they're kind of shaped like little peeps without the ears, or peanuts. It's like a peanut shape. But they're so cute, and they're just different colors. And then the last thing I picked up, this was from Amazon, but how adorable are these cute little bunnies? It finally came. See, and they're double-sided, you guys. So it's a little bunny with a little cottontail and a little flower on her head. And they're just so cute. And I think you get 40. So if I find the link and they're still selling it, I will leave you the link. Isn't that cute? It's double-sided, so I love it. I just thought it was well made, and you get a few. So, you know, great for Easter, because I don't think I have too many, I don't know if I have any Easter charms. So you guys know me and my charms. I love my charms. So I do like to use that in my projects. Okay, and then making some little treat bags. And I actually, this is not my idea, I actually used a tutorial by Maymay made it. I'm sure you guys have all tried this, because it's been a while. I think she made these cute little ones like 3 years ago maybe. But it's using some paper, 6x6 inch paper. That's really all you need for the base, and then you do need some extra for the flap, and if you want to also use paper for the handle. But since I have a lot of that burlap, you know, DCWV, it's not really paper, but I guess maybe there's some paper underneath it, this one right here. And since I have a lot of those, and also from the other burlap that I got, the roll of burlap I got, I decided to put burlap handles. And then isn't this cute? It's so adorable. I made a little flower using some of my tiny, like daisy looking dies. Here's one little tiny one. And I went ahead and put it there, and then I put this resin piece from my stash. And then remember I got those burlap flowers. So I made this, and then I went to, when I had gone to Hobby Lobby, I picked up the burlap flowers. So you can definitely use these. These are the poppies and papery. So cute. So for the other two that I'm going to show you, I did use the burlap flower. It's so adorable. So here's my second one, you guys. It's so cute. So the only difference here is the way I did this one is I made the handles longer because I felt like these were kind of, I don't know, too short for the size. It just depends on the look you want. I mean, if it's like a little tote bag handle, like a handbag, then of course this is more like a handbag, and this one's more like maybe a shoulder bag. But they're so cute. And I did use double-sided paper, this paper that I used here. And then I added some Velcro, the ones from the Dollar Tree. Double-sided paper is a little bit better because then it, you know, you have a nice design on the inside, especially if you're going to gift it. And this one is from the Paper Studio, you know, the gingham paper from, the paper pad from Hobby Lobby. And this one here, I believe I used Echo Park paper, which is one of their, I don't know if it was from last year or the year before, but it's one of the Echo Park paper for Easter. And again, I used Velcro, and the back, or the other side of the paper, it looks like that. It's floral, but it's so stinking cute. So I was thinking the reason I made this is because I can put my little, the chocolates that I shared with you guys. And, you know, you can just put a little bit of shreds in there and then put a couple of chocolates, 2 or 3. And I just think they came out so adorable. So, of course, I had to create another one, a couple of other ones. So here is the other one. Again, this is the Echo Park paper. I love it because on the inside, again, this one has chicks, has little chicks inside this one. And again, I made the longer handles on this one. This is about 6, maybe not 6 inches, maybe 5 5¾ inch handle. That's the length, and then it's about 1/4 inch wide. But if, of course, you know, you can use whatever handle you want. You can make it out of paper as well. But didn't it come out adorable? I love the way they came out. And then I was just kind of playing around, and I decided to create a different version. Still using the same tutorial, but this time, instead of making it this shape, I kept it in the kind of the rectangular shape. So I didn't like pinch the sides here to make it look like a, you know, because I kind of wanted to make it look like more like a box basket. Isn't this cute? And I used that new trim that I had, this tassel trim that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, which is perfect for Easter. So Erica, you're gonna want to make one of these because I know you picked up this cute little ribbon as well. And I put a little resin piece, and this is the little bunny from, it's just my, you know, clothespin from Daiso. And Again, I used a burlap handle, but this time I just used one handle instead of the two. And you can make it any which way you want. You can put a bow or decorate it however you want, but I just kind of put the trim just because it's so cute and it was so perfect for this little Easter basket, right? I love it. So that is my share for today. I hope you guys liked what you see. And I will leave the link to Maymay Made It, her video on how to make these. And it's super easy. And yeah, let me know if you guys want me to, you know, do a process video on this one. I can, since this one's just a little bit different. But this, to make this, I'll leave Maymay Made It's video in the description box. So thanks so much for watching, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and make sure you hit that little bell icon so that you are notified whenever I make a new video, which I'm always making a video for you guys because I love sharing anything new, any new crafty things that I create. So have a good day